Hi, and thank you for tuning into this video about search on your website, and it's called "How Important Is Search on Your Website?" And I wanted to do this video because I often, talk to clients or talk to interested people about, navigating websites and how to navigate, and people are often surprised to hear the statistics about how most users navigate websites nowadays. So I wanted to make a video about this. So if you are interested in knowing more about, how to easily help out your users finding the content on your website, watch this video. So the thing that I'm talking about is that more than 50% of users actually use the search functions on websites to navigate websites, and of course there are a lot of different types of websites out there, but as I said to a lot of people, this statistics, this number is surprising, and this is only when we are talking laptop or desktop based browsing. If you take a look at the mobile browsing, the number is much greater than this, because people tend to use the search when they're on their smartphone, because it's faster to find the content this way. And this is why it's critical to have your search function on your website. Most of the time, most of websites, I think, need a search function. There are some exceptions. Smaller websites don't really need them. But if you have products, if you have a blog or services, or more than 5 pages, you really need to have this function on your website, and you have to design it so people can find it on your interface, and the results of the search need to be useful to people. So to sort of illustrate this, I'm going to take a look at three different websites, two of which I think is a little problematic in their design of their search function, and one exception, sort of exception to the rule of designs. So the first website I wanted to take a look at is this website called Post Denmark. This is the Danish postal service, and you see right away up here you have a search box, and universally indicated by this search icon, and this is by my account, by my design standards, this is the right place to put a search box. The upper right corner of your web site or your page is usually where these search boxes are placed, and that's why people tend to look there if they need them. So far so good, but the problem I have with the design of this search box is if I run over the search field, the input field here with my mouse, it doesn't change. It doesn't change to anything that really indicates that this is a place where I can enter any information. If I roll over the button, the mouse changes into a hand cursor indicating that this item is clickable. But if I click this, it turns into the cursor, and I can type in what I'm searching for, and it sort of changes state now, so that I again have this pointer, this hand on this search box, which is a little confusing to me. And if it's confusing to me, I'm pretty sure it will be confusing to a lot of standard users. So keep to the standards when designing these kind of things. Make it easy for people to find the search field and enter the things they need, and sort of use the search on your website. So another thing that I wanted to talk about is YouTube's way of using search. So this is my YouTube page, just for illustrating and just for reminding you that you can you can subscribe to my channel to be updated with new videos. I put out new videos every Friday. But on YouTube you have the main search function up here in the top, and it's sort of centered in the page because it's important. YouTube is essentially a search engine, so this is very important. But you have also the feature of searching a channel only. And you might have seen it's down here, the search icon, and when YouTube changed their interface to this theme, I actually had some problem figuring out how to search channels. And you know, you have the search icon here, but you have to click on it to get this search input field, and that's sort of the thing that confused me a little. And I really don't know why they have done it this way. Why not just put the search field, make it easier for people to search, make it obvious that this is the point where you can search in this channel. But of course they have the challenge of differentiating this sort of top level search and the channel search down here. And lastly, I just wanted to take a look at another example of a website using search. So here we are at the online bookstore called saxo.com, and right off the bat you clearly see a search field here. They even did us the favor and already put the cursor here so we can start searching for books. And they probably took a look at their statistics and saw that a lot of people are using search to navigate a e-commerce site like this, and the search field is probably indicated by a spyglass and the search text or magnifying glass, sorry. And it's placed in the center of the page, as I said, because this is also a very important search field. As I said earlier, most websites will put their search field up here in the right top corner for making it easy to find for people. So that's my thoughts on this. So what do you use? Do you prefer to use the site navigation on the website when you browse, or are you one of the people that use the search engine on websites mainly? And what is good, what is bad? Do you navigate the same way when using smartphones or iPads or anything like that? I would really love to hear from you in the comments below. Also, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to write them down there, and subscribe to my channel. As I said, it really helps me out and fuels my my engine to do more videos, and I do take requests. And yeah, as always, connect with me on Facebook and Twitter to stay updated, and don't be a stranger. See you later. Bye.